Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, which is really good to say it. I said it yesterday that it's nice to say recipe vlog because I haven't really shared recipe vlog lately, but I have been sharing since yesterday again. So today another recipe vlog, and I am mentioning chicken gourmet on my description below, and behind me is the chicken gourmet. Anyways, I talk so much. Today's recipe, or it's more to like tutorial, but also it includes ingredients, so you can say it's recipe. It's on how to make tempeh, the fermented soybean cake that is from Indonesia. I've been eating tempeh since I was little. I've been sharing the recipe on my blog, on my page, for a while, but I don't think I have shared on how I made it. Maybe I did, but not on vlog. For today, it's especially on vlog because I so wanted to share you how I made mine. And so yeah, if you are interested in making fermented soybean cake yourself, check out the full video, and I'll see you soon again. Bye! First, you have to crack the soybean first, unless you can buy soybeans that are already cracked. To remove the skin, you just have to soak it in water, and the skin will be floating on the top, and you're gonna have to scoop away the skin after that. After soaking for one night, dump the water and then rinse, and then place about 1.5 kilograms of wet soybeans into a pot and add about 4/4 water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and we're gonna boil it for an hour. While boiling, you see this scum, you want to scoop them away because they are floating skin again that escaped our rinse. When you boil your soybeans, you don't want to unattend the boiling time because they can overflow. Once it starts full boiling fully, this is when you want to lower the heat to medium low and continue boiling until for an hour. Once beans are boiled for an hour, drain the water, and you want to cool them completely before you add in the yeast. Once drained from the boiling water, just cool it on a tray, spread it out so that it will be cool completely, nicely and evenly before we add our yeast. You want the bean to be completely cool so you won't kill the yeast. Once beans are cooled, sprinkle your yeast. This is 4.5 teaspoon yeast because it's all depending on your yeast product. Some yeast use 1 kilogram for 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon yeast for 1 kilogram beans, or almost 1 tablespoon yeast to 1 kilogram beans. So it's all depending on your yeast, the yeast that you use. Check the manufacturer or the bag. So this is more than 4.5 kilogram. I use 4.5 teaspoon of yeast. So just mix them, and once you mix them, they are ready to be packaged. Filled, this is about 2 cups each, less than 300 grams each per bag. It's ready to be fermented overnight until those nice mycelium or fungus comes out, produce, and turn into nice firm soybean cakes. Now just let them be for overnight, for more than a day, like 1 full day, and they will start growing the fungus. As you can see, the fungus started to grow and your tempeh is becoming. Now after the whole day long, all night long, 1.5 day, your tempeh is ready.